Number 1. Egg white and lemon juice. The combination between egg white and lemon juice is one of the best home remedies for oily skin. Mix juice of half lemon into 1 egg white and whisk it thoroughly. Apply the mix on your face and leave it on until it dries. Finally, wash off with cool water. Apply this solution twice a week. This will tighten the skin and soak up excess oil. Number 2. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains antimicrobial properties, which can treat acne-prone oily skin. It can absorb excess oil from your skin surface. Apply aloe vera gel directly on your face and leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning. Apply aloe vera gel daily to get clean, clear and glowing skin. Number 3. Yogurt, honey and oatmeal. Mix 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of finely ground oatmeal. Then add half teaspoon honey in this mixture and mix well. After that, apply on the skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Finally, rinse with warm water.